In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members on Clickup, an all-in-one app designed to increase productivity and manage work efficiently. Whether you're new to Clickup or just looking to streamline your team collaboration, this guide is tailor-made for you. First things first, head over to Clickup's official website. You'll find Clickup to be a versatile platform designed to accommodate all your work needs in one place. Once you're on the home page, the next step is crucial: logging in to access your workspace. You'll see a prompt asking for your email. Go ahead and enter the email associated with your Clickup account. It's the key to unlocking all the productivity tools Clickup has in store for you. After entering your email, you're led to the next step: entering your password. This is your personal key to your digital work kingdom, so make sure you type it in correctly. Password entered? Great. Now hit the login button to dive into your Clickup workspace. Upon successful login, you'll land on the home page of your workspace. It's where all your projects, tasks, and collaboration come alive. This digital hub is beautifully designed to keep everything organized and accessible at a glance. Now it's time to focus on the main agenda: adding team members to your workspace. Start by selecting a space within your workspace that you wish to add members to. Spaces in Clickup help you organize everything from tasks, documents, to goals by department, team, or project, making it easier to segment your work according to your organizational structure. Once you've identified the space you want to work with, look for the Share feature. This nifty tool is your gateway to inviting team members into your workspace. Click on Share, and you will see an option to invite by name or email. Here you can type the email addresses or names of the individuals you wish to add. This step is crucial for expanding your team within Clickup, as it ensures the right people have access to the right projects and tasks. Once you've entered the names or emails of the people you're inviting, the next step is to click on the Invite button. This action queues up the invitations ready for dispatch. But before you hit the final Send Invite button, take a moment to ensure everything is correct. Double check the email addresses or names for any typographical errors to ensure your invites reach the intended recipients. Finally, with everything in order, go ahead and click on Send Invite. This action dispatches an invitation to each person you've added, prompting them to join your workspace. It's the last step in the process, but in many ways it's just the beginning of a more collaborative and efficient work environment. As the new members join your workspace, they'll be able to seamlessly collaborate on projects, share insights, and contribute to the team's success. Remember, Clickup is all about making work easier, so feel free to explore its vast features to find new ways to enhance your team's productivity. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to adding new members to your Clickup workspace. Whether you're expanding your team or setting up a new project space, Clickup provides a fluid, intuitive interface to keep everyone connected and productive. Now that you know how to add members, you're well on your way to leveraging Clickup's full potential for your team's success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Whether you're fine-tuning your workflow or exploring new productivity tools, we're here to help you get the most out of your digital work environment. Happy collaborating!